Greetings. Greetings from Niaz Ahmed Sacred Heart College. In the past 2 weeks, you are aware about various background information behind bioinformatics. Now we can discuss something about hidden Markov modeling for biological data analysis and its information. Hidden Markov models sequence prediction. It is a statistical model. This HMM, the hidden Markov model, in short we used to call it as HMM. This model generated based on some set of input sequence. If you set for example S1, S2 up to Sn, this input sequence, based on this input sequence the HMM model is working. Before going to in detailed information about HMM model, what are the property of hidden Markov model? The Markov property satisfaction plays a vital role. There are two different important things while discussing about its property. First one is memoryless. It is called as memoryless property because it has only one state understanding. Second thing is the soul, a future prediction. It shows a present state only. It is not bothered about past state or future state. The HMM acts as a finite state machine because it has two state. One is hidden state, we used to call as W as the designation. Visible state, otherwise known as output state, we used to represent it as V. Based on the transition from one state to another state, the structure can be elucidated. The structure may be a protein or a nucleic acid. Regarding the HMM in bioinformatics, hidden Markov models are the probabilistic, based on the probability calculation. We always hear that probability in possibility in the mathematical term, based on the probabilistic model for modeling and representing the biological sequence. They allow us to do things like find genes, sequence alignments, and find regulatory elements such as promoters and inducer and enhancer in the molecular biology terms in the principled manner. If you see the profiles of your protein structures and the sequence alignments can detect indirect homologies. Profile analysis has been put on mathematical ground by the introduction of HMM methods. During the past years, application of these powerful HMM based profiles have begun to appear in the fields of protein structure prediction and a large scale genome sequence analysis also. Computational analysis is increasingly important for inferring the functions and the structures of proteins because the speed of DNA sequence has long since exceeded the rate at which the biological function of sequences can be elucidated experimentally. That's why instead of experiments we opted the mathematical modeling. Increasing these percentage is the utmost important. An increase of a single percentage point may mean learning something useful about an additional 700 human proteins, which has been documented. David Hassler, Anders Krauss and other colleagues from the University of California, Santa Cruz, they recognized all the profile methods could be expressed as in the HMMs. Their lucid technical report, which was documented in the year of 1994, which appeared in the open literature. Hidden Markov models are a general statistical modeling technique for linear problems like sequences or time series and have been widely used in speech recognition applications from the past 20 years. HMMs had been used before in computational sequence analysis, including applications to protein structural modeling. Hassler's work aimed to clearly that popular profile analysis methods that is elevated HMMs into the consciousness of a wider community. Within the HMM formalism, it is possible to apply formal, fully probabilistic methods to profiles and gapped sequence alignments. Right. What is an HMM? The key idea is that HMM is a finite model that describes the probability description over an infinite number of possible sequences. A wonderfully clear description of HMM theory has been written by Rabiner. One speaks of an HMM generating a sequence. The HMM is composed of a number of states which might correspond to a position in a three-dimensional structure or columns of a multiple alignment. Each state emits symbols. It may be residues in protein or a nucleic acid. It might be amino acid residues or a nucleic acid residue. According to a symbol emission probabilities, and the states are interconnected by state transition probabilities. Why are they called hidden Markov models? Because the sequence of states is Markov chain, because the choice of the next step to occupy is dependent on the identity of the current state. However, this state sequence is not observed, it is hidden. Only the symbol sequence that this hidden state generate is observed. In general, when using HMMs, we are interested in solving one of the three problems. First one is, given an existing HMM and an observed sequence, we want to know the probability that the HMM could generate a sequence, the scoring problem. The second one is, we want to know the optimal state sequence that the HMM would use to generate the sequence in the alignment problem. The third one is, given a large amount of data, we want to find the structure and the parameters of the HMM which best account for the data, the training problem. Hostler and his colleagues' insight was that profiles can be rewritten as HMMs, and that these problems are exactly analogs to the problems of scoring sequence with profiles. Finding optimal sequence profile alignments and constructing profiles from unaligned as well as aligned protein or a DNA sequence. So, what are the history behind the hidden Markov models? HMM were first described in the year of 1960s. It is a statistical paper written by the Leonard E. Baum and other authors, his colleagues. One of the first application of HMMs was speech recognition, starting in the mid of 1970s. They are commonly used in speech recognition systems to help to determine the words represented by the sound wave. The sound wave captured in the second half of the 1980s. HMMs began to be applied to the analysis of biological sequence, in particularly DNA. What are hidden Markov models? The HMM, a formal foundation for making probabilistic models of linear sequence labeling problems. They provide a conceptual toolkit for building complex models just by drawing in natural picture of the protein or nucleic acid. Machine learning approach in bioinformatics presented with training data which are used in derive important insights about the hidden parameters. For example, the hidden Markov models has n states. It may be known as S1, S2 up to Sn. There are discrete time steps. It may be 0, T0 and T1. The bioinformatic visual, you can use HMMs to generate a sequence when visit a state. We emit a nucleotide basis on the emission probability distribution. We also choose a state to visit next according to state's transition probability distribution. If you see the sequence, often we deal with sets in applied machine learning such as a train or test sets of samples. Each sample in the set can be thought of an observation from the domain. In a set, the order of the observation is not important, but the sequence is important, it is a different. The sequence imposes an explicit order on the observations. The order is important. It must be respected in the formulation of a prediction problems that use the sequence data as input or output for the model. If you see the sequence prediction involves predicting the next value for a given input sequence. For example, if you give the input sequence as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, under the sequence prediction model, the predicted value is 6. Mostly the logic go with the result, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next it might be 6. Example of a sequence prediction problem. Sequence prediction attempts to predict elements of a sequence on the basis of previous elements. For example, previous element is 5 means the predicted element is 6. Sequence learning, from recognition and prediction of a sequential decision making. The prediction model is trained with a set of training sequence. Once trained, the model is used to perform sequence predictions. A prediction consists in predicting the next items of a sequence. This task has numerous applications such as web page perfecting, consumer product recommendation, weather forecasting and stock market prediction. That application we will discuss in detail. The CPT, compact prediction tree, decrease the time and space complexity in this model. Sequence prediction may also generally be referred as sequence learning. The learning of a sequential data continues to be a fundamental task and a challenge in pattern recognition and machine learning. Applications involving sequential data may require prediction of a new events, generation of a new sequence, or decision making such as classification of sequences or subsequences. So, hidden Markov models have been extensively used in biological sequence analysis. We have to undergo tutorial review about the HMMs and their applications in variety of problems in molecular biology. We have to specially focus on 3 types of HMMs. One is profile HMMs, pair HMMs, context sensitive HMMs. How these HMMs can be used to solve various sequence analysis problems such as pairwise and multiple sequence alignments, gene annihilation, classification, similarity search and many others, with special reference to molecular biology techniques. It may be a protein analysis or nucleic acid analysis. It has to be noted that this information is by no means exhaustive and that there are still exist many other types of HMMs and an even larger number of sequence analysis problems that have benefited from HMMs. Hidden Markov models provide a sound mathematical framework for modeling and analyzing biological sequence, and we expect that importance in molecular biology as well as the range of application will grow only further studies. On prediction using variable order Markov models, there are some examples. Technically, this method refers to all the following problems in this post as a type of sequence prediction problem. This can make things confusing some beginners. The weather forecasting, stock market prediction, product recommendation. For example, if the weather casting given a sequence of observation about the weather over time, predict the expected weather tomorrow by using this model. Similarly, given a sequence of movements of a security over time, predict the next movement of the security, stock market prediction. In product recommendation, given a sequence of past purchases of a customer, it may be used for the customer relationship management. HR policy, predict the next purchase of a customer. With this background information, I would like to complete the session. We will discuss the other things in the next lecture. Thank you and God bless.